Hi everyone and welcome back. Today I'm going to show you the new watermelon toner from Glow Recipe. It contains hyaluronic acid, cactus water, willow bark, polyhydroxy acid and watermelon. This combination is made to hydrate skin and help minimize the appearance of pores. The packaging is great design as usual, and I believe for now it only comes in this 150ml glass bottle version. It is recommended to be used after cleansing in the morning and the evening and followed by the sunscreen during the day. I personally only applied acid toners in the evenings as my skin is quite sensitive, and I also make sure to apply foundation with sunscreen every morning. This is my personal preference, but I would rarely use acid toners during summer. I only apply them during autumn and winter months, and I believe they do wonders for my skin when applied correctly. Now, let's jump to application process. It takes only a few drops into palms and gentle press into face and neck until fully absorbed. Can also be applied with a cotton pad, but I highly recommend hand application. It's really important to avoid eye area, so please make sure to wash your hands right after application. The consistency is something between water and gel, which makes it perfect for hand application because it won't slip through your fingers. Unlike other products from this range, the fragrance is a little more cactus than watermelon, but still very pleasant and refreshing. I currently use this toner in the evenings followed by the watermelon sleeping mask, and I cannot recommend this combination highly enough. The improvement started to notice only after 10 days of application. My skin is hydrated and glowing, and most importantly, my pores are barely visible. The price point is a little on the high side, but if you don't mind spending a bit extra on a good quality product, I would highly recommend trying this toner. I'd like to thank you all for watching, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.